I am excited to show you the Tri-Flame 60. I've been wanting to get this thing out. We've got beautiful weather to get it done in, and this is it. This is also a trailer model, similar to the Big Ben 78, Big Ben 40. So it does come with a 2-inch ball for your hitch, the chains, the flat 4, so you can hook to any one of your vehicles. It is also constructed of 10 and 12 gauge steel, so it is heavy duty. I'm also looking forward to seeing how well it can maintain some heat as we get this thing up and running. When you open this thing up, you will find the stainless steel cooking grate. It's about 24 inches by 60 inches in length. That is a lot of cooking space. I'm looking forward to seeing what all kinds of meat I can cook on this thing. One of the added features that you can also get is the chicken flipper, and that's this top grate. This top grate will flip up, and it is fully adjustable so that you can cook anything from boneless, skinless thighs to chicken halves. You can put in your brats. You can put in whatever kind of meats that you think you want to try to sandwich in there. Pull it down and latch it. And because it is adjusting in the back, like I say, you can make sure that you can cook from boneless thighs all the way to the chicken halves. Another added feature that I really like about the Tri-Flame 60 is when it comes to flipping the meat. It is a matter of just pulling a pin and turning the handle. You don't have to worry about bringing out your spatulas or having a second person to come in and flip it out with you. All you've got to do is just hit the T-handle here, and you can rotate every bit of your meat at the exact same time. It has also been designed that if you know when you're going to rotate your meat, don't even have to open the lid. So you're not going to lose any of the smoke. You're not going to lose any of the heat. Pull the pin, and there's enough clearance that will also rotate while it is closed. It is also nice to note that we've got different dampers on it. There's one in the front. There's also one in the back. And then there are 2 on each one of the ends. So you've got plenty of airflow as when it comes to getting whatever temps you desire to cook at, whether you're cooking hamburgers or whether you're doing a low and slow pork butt for pulled pork sandwiches. You can also control the amount of smoke in draft here. There's one draft control on either side. So again, very well made. I'm looking forward to seeing what all this thing can do. There's also a drip pan option in there. So you can put in a drip pan and then open it up, throw your bucket on there. All your drippings will then come out of the cooker there, so you don't have to worry about any kind of flare-ups or anything like that as well. Cleanup tends to be easy, it looks like. Basically, it's got a drop down panel here, and the ash pan can pull right out. Take your ash pan to wherever you want to dump your ashes, dump it, and then simply slide it back in. So again, it is a beautiful day, and I'm probably going to fire this thing up here pretty shortly. But I wanted to show you the Tri-Flame 60 and its features and what's going to be capable of doing. So as always, if you like what you see, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe down below. We have our YouTube channel that's there. We also have our Instagram and our Facebook pages, as well as the website. So if you have any questions about the Tri-Flame 60, the Big Ben, any of the spices and seasonings or the sauces, don't hesitate to reach out to us at any of those links. Thank you.